Hello and welcome to our video on Step-by-Step Guide to Write Critical Analysis Essay with Best Examples. Critical analysis essays are a common type of assignment in many courses, and they require you to analyze a text or piece of literature critically. In this video, we will provide you with a step-by-step guide to help you write a successful critical analysis essay, along with some best examples to help you understand the process better. Step 1. Read the text or literature piece thoroughly. Before you start analyzing the text, it's crucial to read it thoroughly. Take notes as you read, and pay attention to the author's main points, ideas, and themes. Step 2. Identify the author's main argument and purpose. The author's main argument or purpose is the foundation of your critical analysis essay. This step requires you to identify the author's thesis statement and the main points that support it. Step 3. Analyze the text's rhetorical strategies. The next step is to analyze the rhetorical strategies used by the author, such as logos, ethos, and pathos. This step will help you understand how the author uses language to convey their message. Step 4. Evaluate the author's effectiveness in conveying their message. This step requires you to evaluate the author's success in communicating their message to the reader. Ask yourself if the author's arguments are convincing and if their evidence is relevant and reliable. Step 5. Develop your thesis statement. Your thesis statement should be a concise summary of your analysis and should convey your main argument about the text. Step 6. Write the body paragraphs. Your body paragraphs should support your thesis statement and provide evidence from the text to back up your claims. Each paragraph should focus on a single point or idea. Step 7. Provide evidence to support your analysis. Your analysis should be supported by evidence from the text, such as quotes, paraphrases, and examples. Be sure to cite your sources correctly. Step 8. Write the introduction and conclusion. The introduction should provide background information on the text and introduce your thesis statement. The conclusion should summarize your analysis and restate your thesis statement. Step 9. Edit and proofread your essay. Once you've written your critical analysis essay, it's essential to edit and proofread it for grammar, spelling, and punctuation errors. Now that we've gone through the steps, let's take a look at some best examples of critical analysis essays. In conclusion, writing a critical analysis essay requires you to read the text thoroughly, analyze the author's rhetorical strategies, and evaluate their effectiveness in conveying their message. With the help of our step-by-step guide and best examples, we hope you have a better understanding of how to write a successful critical analysis essay. Thank you for watching.